talk cleaning. We've got just the perfect fit, storage for all your outfits. Let's give this place a tidy, then we're dreaming. So if you see something on the floor, could you pop it in a drawer? Or anywhere at all except the floor. It would be so kind, and I'm sure that there's not a single grown-up who would mind if we tidy up this place. We're gonna tidy up this place. Go dishes and Tiger Fink are handy things to put stuff in, and they can fit toys of any size within reason. Trove Fast has nice shelves and trays. Bluff and Guard has